loud because we smoke blunts.
Multiple blunts on the show.
So,
tune the fuck in. I am your girl, L. I said I'm your girl, L.
Erica.
And I'm K-Lou.
TK Blood.
And we're your motherfucking hosts of Ratchet CHATZ podcast. Welcome. Tune in. K-Lou. For the people who don't know nothing about the show.
Well, for the people who don't know, I'm going to say it real slow. You can find us on Ratchet _CHATZ with this D.podcast on Instagram. And you can also follow us on YouTube. The YouTube link is also in the Instagram page. So you click the link and it's Ratchet CHATZ.podcast. Podcast.
Podcast. P-O-T.
And CHATZ is with a Z. No S.
Make sure y'all put the Z on the end of Ratchet. Because you won't find us if you put an S, bro.
And like I said, the link is in the bio.
The link is in Ratchet CHATZ bio, and it's also in every last one of our personal pages. So there's no excuse not to tune the fuck in.
Exactly.
There's just no.
Period.
So Erica, speaking of tuning in, what are they tuning into tonight?
Y'all tuning into some motherfucking good shit. Okay, so tonight we're gonna be talking about rejection. You know, we got a bunch of different topics around rejection.
Rejection can be
How do you feel about it? What does it do to your soul?
Oh my God, rejection is so scary.
Yeah.
But if you want to know
Tune in.
how to properly get turned down by a nigga or a bitch, we're going to teach you.
Can you
Tune
get
in.
fuck all of that?
Yes, there is a
Bitches.
special way.
Ladies,
What?
positions.
Warm my hands up.
Y'all know what's about to go down. I said positions. And if y'all watching the show, we need you guys to participate. On 3. If you're ratchet and you know it, clap your hands.
If you're ratchet and you know it, clap your hands. If you're ratchet and you know it, then your freak will surely show it. If you're ratchet and you know it, clap your hands. Clap that ass. Throw them hands, throw them hands, throw them hands. Pop that bitch. Okay, I'm typing, I'm typing. Hot take.
Find this bag.
Right.
Yes.
Alright, Ratchets, thank you for tuning in to another live episode of Ratchet CHATZ podcast. Again, we have some great topics in store for y'all tonight. Tune in, feel free to comment, feel free to DM us questions y'all want us to talk about on next week's show. If you have an opinion about what we're talking about tonight, feel free to comment and we will read off some of y'all comments and shout y'all out if y'all are participating in tonight's motherfucking show. Speaking of social media.
Okay, we gonna take this shit off of Lori motherfucking Harvey. I know we talked about this shit.
It's official.
It's a new picture.
It's official at this
shit
point.
that surfaced, and like she said, it's official.
It's official. So, ladies, what do y'all think of the pic with her and her oldest stepfather, Steve Harvey?
It's sections of the picture we need to discuss.
Okay, let's start with this one.
Let's discuss the fact that your father, who's supposed to be a relationship expert, wrote these
3 times divorced.
Yeah.
Cool.
Him.
Cancel TV show.
What do you have to say? Steve, you got an opinion on everybody's relationship. What do you have to say about this?
How are you cool with that?
Your 22-year-old stepdaughter.
And your 50-year-old friend.
Dating her ex-boyfriend's father.
So, which one of the sons did she fuck with?
Justin!
The lighter one.
Y'all, how
Not
did Justin
Quincy.
used to fuck around?
Yes. She was with
The
Justin.
short one.
Yes.
Y'all are lying. to
Yeah.
me.
They had pictures together like her and Diddy do.
You lying, y'all. There's pics.
Lori about to be just like Cassie. Waste all this time. Ain't gonna marry you.
I mean, so honestly, what do y'all think? This is disgusting.
Too much.
This is my opinion. Normally when I see a bitch do shit like that, I'm like, okay, she's looking for a come up.
She's definitely looking for a come up.
Lori, you don't need a come up. You're rich. You don't need a come
You're
up.
right, bro.
You don't.
But
You're
y'all
right.
have to understand, it's the life. It's the glam. It's the fact that you are on Diddy's arm. It's the fact that you're gonna be going to all of the best events.
But
You're
Lori
gonna
is
be-
already
She
doing
already
that.
has that. Yeah, but she's not gonna get that type of clout like she is.
Some
with
people
Diddy.
say that it's true love because she don't need him for no clout.
She really don't.
Y'all ready love with this
She has been. She look happy. She look happy.
Bro, they just start fucking around. You not that in love yet.
We don't know how long they've been fucking around. It's just posted on social. They could been fucking around for a long time.
I don't
We just not
believe
seeing it.
that she's in love with somebody that's 30 years older than her.
It happens.
For me, man.
He's literally 30 years older
It
than her.
happens.
So could you fall in love with a 50-year-old?
I never know.
Hey, look down for it because she was fucking with Diddy. She's cool with it because she would fuck with Diddy at this time. And is that a fact or not?
Yeah.
That's why she's cool with it. Do you have an issue with it?
I mean,
Yeah. Or do y'all think it's because it's Diddy? Because I said if he didn't have no bread, she wouldn't be thinking about this nigga. Now, do y'all agree with that?
I mean, look at
What if he was a regular nigga?
He's almost what? Ain't he almost 50? And
I
his
don't
wife
know.
like
I'm gonna say this. I'm
Hey,
gonna
look,
say
30 something compared to 20.
I'm gonna
still
keep
a
it
20-year difference.
Hey, look, be real.
I am being real. It is a 20-year difference.
But you wouldn't be not Diddy if he didn't have money, would you?
Honestly, I don't think Diddy's ugly. That's me
I'm gonna
personally.
keep it real.
I don't-
If Diddy didn't have money, if Diddy
feel
approached
honey.
me now, yes, I would fuck with Diddy because of who he is.
His
He got
status.
money. He's gonna take care of me. Diddy, I would fuck with Diddy on a regular basis. But you know what? I'm like Caleb. I think he's actually attractive. I don't think he's ugly, but he wouldn't be a nigga I would fuck with if he didn't have bread.
He didn't have his status. Who he is?
He okay to me.
He has gay tendencies to me personally.
I think he has gay
and I feel like what I heard is that's why Cassie called it off because she called him for the last time fucking with another nigga. So me personally, it's a no for me, dog. Just because I don't care how much money you got, you gay, bro. It's come out too much. These little things. When people keep making up these type of stories about you, there's certain men out here you've never heard that about. They're not going to give you nothing to speculate about. To me, when stories like that keep coming up, like they keep saying Dwayne Wade is gay, he's coming off his gayness. He does. He has feminine ways.
And then didn't Gabby say that she licked his asshole or something?
Yeah, but I mean, I ain't gonna say that. I mean, people do different stuff in
I
our
don't make
relationship.
Y'all licking y'all niggas' asshole?
But to me,
I'm not, but people do it out there. Don't make them.
that's
better.
just like Dwight Howard. There's reasons these stories are coming up about y'all. It's no, people are gonna keep saying this for nothing. But I mean, it is what it is. To each his own. Cheers to Lori for getting that bag, ladies.
Cheers to Lord.
Cheers.
I mean,
to
getting
Lord.
some more bags. She
Getting
already
some
has
more
plenty.
She doesn't have that much money. Her mother and Steve Harvey
I mean,
has
honestly,
bread. Lori doesn't do
Diddy has
anything.
double the money Steve has. Honestly,
But my thing is,
Yes.
Lori, what does she do?
nothing.
So she doesn't have that much bread. Her family, the people she's
right.
related to, has bread, y'all. She don't
It's
have
just
no
like
money
his,
of her
just
own.
like Diddy kids. They ain't got no money, but his daddy got money. Then make him have money.
So yeah, she gonna come up out here.
Right.
She can marry that nigga tomorrow and come up. I don't know. We'll see how long it lasts. I don't see it lasting too long, so enjoy the bag while you can, sis. Outside of her,
Okay, that's her. Diddy, why do you keep dealing with these young ass?
You're still a grown ass woman.
I want Diddy to get him a nigga. That's what he really wants. Get you a nigga. Get you a nice man.
why does he want little girls, bro?
I don't
That's
understand.
weird to me. And it's like they can start looking at you crazy. They all over here got R. Kelly locked up shit.
It's like he get these girls trying to mold him
Cassie
or
was 20
something.
when he got with her.
It's like, I don't
And
know.
look how long it lasts.
11
Cassie
years.
got a whole baby.
A whole baby, a
And
whole
she's in
family.
love.
Less than what, a year or 2 years?
Less than a year, she's pregnant and happy in love.
That's just crazy.
Cheers to niggas not holding you back from what you really want.
For real.
For real. Speaking of,
And you know what? Even if it took that bitch 10 years to leave him, she still got it right.
She did.
and she still has
She
time to
got
live her
tired.
life.
Yeah.
When you get tired, you get tired.
And that just goes to show money and shit. She has had access to this man's money for 11 years.
wasn't
and
happy.
she wasn't fucking happy. This situation right there just goes to show that money does not buy love. It'll
It
give you
don't.
a temporary happiness and
It's only
feeling,
temporary
but that shit is going to go away. It does not last forever.
She wasn't happy.
She wasn't happy, period. Speaking of,
I wasn't she pregnant, but yeah, go ahead.
I was just gonna go to this little part of the show. We just wanted to not make it a sad part, but we did feel like we should touch up on some of the shootings that happened over the weekend, in the last couple of days. You know, we're not gonna take up too much time, but we do want to just, send our condolences, have a moment of silence, send our condolences to all the families that are suffering and have lost some people to all of this domestic violence. And we just want to
send our prayers.
Best
wishes, love,
support,
prayers.
This world is crazy.
And y'all just stay prayed up. Try to stay positive. Like, aside of all the bills and shit that everybody deal with, like, look at the beauty of life. Try to just find.
You woke up today.
Yeah, find the
people didn't wake up this weekend.
But y'all, can y'all just imagine going to Walmart
y'all know
right
how many
now?
times I run to the store? How many times I went to Walmart to be exact?
Just imagine me. I could have been on the phone with you before I got out. Girl, I'm gonna run in here in Walmart and go get me some eggs and get something to cook tonight. And that's the last. And you. I walked in Walmart, one of the safest places
ever. Or just like in Daytona, Ohio, you just walking around.
You're in a bar.
Just chilling.
I went out to Levels to drink
and just chilling.
And
you get shot.
Yeah.
So sad.
Or the elementary, that was the worst though. That was the worst to me. When they killed all those elementary kids, when he went in there and shot that elementary school up, that was the worst to me.
It's just happening too much.
And the second worst was all those gay people that he killed in Florida. He killed almost 50 people in that club. He went in there and shot that club up.
White people.
The shooting in Vegas too?
And the church. It's just, okay, so you got church.
It's 249 shootings.
You got church, you got school, you got the movies. Remember when the Batman premiere, they came and
everywhere.
shot at that movie theater?
Yes.
Why are y'all doing this?
There's so much hate in this
it's
world.
not all white people, but
I'm sorry,
some white people got some fucking hate. If the hate is so real, like they really are hateful.
Like the one that shot the gay club, he hated gays. You went in there and took 50 people's lives, gay people, because of what?
Because you hate gay
And
people.
he probably was gay. He probably was gay. You
That's
hate
true.
them so much because they are what you want to be.
That's crazy, y'all.
It's just like this weekend, that guy went to Walmart in El Paso to shoot immigrants. To shoot a Mexican.
Yeah,
he hates Mexicans.
Oh, English. Did you see his Instagram?
Yes.
He was like, I just hate niggas because they're just dirty and stinky.
Y'all are lying.
That's all he said, dirty and stinky. That was his reason for
And he's from here.
But the fucked up thing that got me was the Ohio nigga. You shot your sister up. He killed his sister. He killed his own fucking sister,
Y'all
y'all.
told me about Ohio. This lady called her kids after she got shot in the head.
Black lady who got shot in the head.
And she said, I just got
Can
shot.
y'all imagine just getting? You have a bullet in your head. You're about to die in seconds.
That's the first thing.
And the first thing you thought about was your
And
kids.
tell them goodbye.
You just had.
Okay, this is getting too emotional.
It really is. But everybody just stay prayed up.
Please, Jesus.
Stay prayed up.
Like, it's just too much hate in this
Kiss
world.
your loved ones every fucking second you get, because just like how the people went into Walmart, you never know when you gonna see your person.
Even Preston Young Miami, because that's fucked up.
God.
Then you really have to be a hateful person to go shoot a pregnant woman.
Car up.
I'm glad that she's good. I'm so glad.
Well,
that
she
she's
didn't have
good.
no bully proof.
Wow,
She would have been dead.
that's
Wow,
crazy.
That's crazy.
Well, we send our prayers out to everybody
Everybody.
that are going through a tough time right now, even outside of that. If you're just going through a tough time right now, we just want to send you up in our prayers.
More love. Less
More
hate.
love, less hate, and
That's all I
all I
want.
gotta say is God's coming for everybody.
For
Period.
real.
So with that being said, we dig it and we drop it.
And again, tonight we're talking about rejection.
Rejection. How do you handle being told, I don't want to fuck with you no more? I don't like you. I'm good. I have a nigga. I have a bitch. I don't need you. I don't want to talk to you.
Done.
How do you handle it? Bye-bye, bitch. First question. Have you ever been rejected? And if so, how do you handle it? So that'll be a question that each of us we'll ask each other, and then we'll explain how we have been rejected. Everybody's been rejected. No one's been told no every single time someone's trying to approach you. You don't look that good. Nobody does. You're ugly. How did you handle it?
You can start first. You ugly.
I asked a question first.
Okay, so how do you handle rejection?
No, be honest.
Have you
Think
been
of one
rejected?
time you've been really rejected.
I'm
And
gonna keep it real. I'm being very honest. I don't approach guys. I've never approached a guy because I'm scared of rejection. I can admit that I'm scared of it. So with that being said, a time where I've actually been rejected, I would probably have to say when I got cheated on. I would guess that would be a time I was did not like it. I felt like something was wrong with me. I felt like, I don't know, like, I just felt hurt because
you felt unwanted.
you told me you didn't want me.
So, let me ask you a question. Why do you think, where does the fear come in with rejection? Do you think it's triggered from insecurity?
Bro, even when I was a little girl, I used to hate to ask my mama shit because I was scared of no. I don't like the word be told no.
What is the fear?
Don't tell me. It's not a fear. It's just like,
You want your right.
I just feel like if I want to hear, I'll see what I can do. It's like when I hear no, that's like, it's like no hope. It's no chances. Life is over. Like,
there's no option.
the end is here.
Do you have a problem telling someone no?
At all.
So, okay. So, with that being said, Ratchet, let me talk to y'all. Listen, you don't like no, but you have a problem with telling a motherfucker no.
Period.
Hello.
Hell no.
Exactly.
Hell no.
How do you think they're gonna feel?
Fuck you.
So they say fuck you too. Hello. What you do? What?
About rejection is too hard.
Hello. You're a billion. But
I'm like, not Erica. I don't really approach guys either. I don't go to them because I'm afraid of rejection. I'm in a situation, so I feel like
I don't want to be told no.
I don't want to be told no. If you feeling me, we make eye contact, then it'll happen. If it don't, it don't. It's cool.
Yeah.
But I guess I have experienced rejection. Like if I'm talking to a guy, and maybe I might have did something wrong, and he may start rejecting me after that. But
what are some signs of a nigga rejecting?
No, bitch. You need to tell your turn.
right.
Okay.
So that's the only little time I really experienced rejection. But I'm kind of like Eric. I don't like the word no. I want an option. Let me try to persuade your mind to get to yes.
I feel like when I'm asking, and this is just my spoil that's coming out right now, but I feel like when I'm asking, like it's always yes because I'm a prideful person, so I really don't like to ask much anyway. So if I'm asking you, nigga, you need to figure it out, or whatever it is, I need you to figure that shit out because for me to even come and ask you is me doing too much. So yes, or let me figure it out are the only two options.
Exactly.
I mean, me personally, I don't mind rejection. I'm not saying that it's not an issue for me. I mean, I'm not gonna be what everybody wants. Not saying I'm just sitting up here just approaching niggas all the time, but if I happen to be attracted to a nigga and I was like, hey, I'm gonna go up to the nigga, say something. I was rejected not too long ago. And it wasn't a bad rejection, it was a good rejection. I had seen the finance police officer at the club, and we got the chit chat, and I was like, oh, okay, so we talking, let's shoot shots. I shot my shot, he said he was married. He didn't ask me for my number in return. He did let me know if he hadn't been married that he would fuck with me. So I would say that was rejection because I didn't make the bucket. I shot my shot, but I didn't make the bucket. He wasn't on no disrespectful type shit as in, like I wouldn't fuck with you. But he was being a faithful man. And there's nothing wrong with that. So that's the reason why I say I wouldn't mind on rejection because I can respect a nigga being man enough to be like, you know what, I would, but I'm married, it is, if I wasn't married, I'd fuck with you, but I'm trying to do right, or I am doing right, or he ain't even gotta go on to that. I'm good. I'm good. I got somebody, I'm good.
And that's
the same with me. And niggas approach me all the time. If I have a nigga, that's what we gonna get into next. A nigga should have that same respect. If I say I'm good, I'm good. And I feel like I should be able to do the same.
I'm gonna ask you this. Because based off what you just said, if your nigga had upset, if I wasn't in this situation, then I'd fuck with you. Was that saying too much?
I wouldn't because he's doing that based off attraction. He don't know shit about me. So basically, he's saying that you look good, I'll holler at you. I'm not gonna take that and run with it on some like, damn, you wanna be with me.
No, I'm just saying, if you knew your nigga
had said that to another female, would it bother me? No, it wouldn't. Because to me, I would think he would just be saying it based off attraction. I mean, we just met. Obviously, he's attractive.
I would feel like, why would you even need technology?
If that was me, that would definitely bother me.
I would feel like he should have to, but it wouldn't bother me to the point where, because if it's that much, he could have just gave me the number.
Well, not even that, but it's like you giving her hope.
Right. Why did you even make that last comment? You could have just said, I'm married.
I don't think over
And
because
then
I'm
good.
never gonna see you again.
But I'm saying, why even say that? Period.
Yeah.
You should, but you can't control how people
You
talk.
can't control.
I know.
Me personally, when I look at shit, I just look at shit realistically. Yeah, he should probably say it. But niggas are gonna say it. He probably is attracted to it. If I wasn't, I'd fuck with you. But I'm good. I ain't giving you my number. I'm good. You know, or a nigga could probably say that to make a bitch feel good. Some niggas, maybe he feel bad about saying
It
no.
would be cool, but you saying if I was with my nigga, I'd fuck with you.
I don't know. I
That
don't
don't even
know.
sound right with me even playing.
Everybody is different.
What? I fuck with you.
But that's
what
why.
he said. I fuck with you.
But
No,
that's
no,
to
no.
each his own. I'm not gonna take him saying that one statement and be like, oh my God.
No,
Oh
you
my
ain't gotta leave
God.
him.
I'm
But
not
that would
gonna.
bother me.
I would address. I would say
Yeah,
something. Like, he got
I
that
wouldn't
ring.
leave. I wouldn't leave or nothing like that. But it would be something I'd be like,
A conversation.
that was too much. Relax.
Yeah.
Right, cheers.
Okay.
Calm down, she cute.
Got it. She cute. Relax. Okay, cool.
Nothing else.
Relax. Glad you didn't give me your number.
Damn.
Speaking of, who's doing the honors?
I guess I'll cool.
And Louis.
How many of you ugly ass niggas don't like to be told no?
Oh, how do you reject a nigga? Like, how do you reject
It's
somebody?
hard. Y'all niggas make it hard for me. Damn. Bitch cannot say I got a boyfriend.
Nope.
Bitch can't say I'm not dating. Bitch
Bitch can't say I'm married.
Bitch
No.
can't. Y'all niggas make it hard for a bitch.
Talk to her.
Bitch
Bro,
can't say I'm
why
married.
don't y'all chill?
Y'all confirm this a lot. And then it's like when you do say you got a nigga, you like, man, you ain't got no boyfriend. But then when you walk up to me, you say, well, I know you somebody else.
So what is it?
Okay, I'm confused.
No, I hate when niggas be like, you told me you got somebody, and they be like, so you can't have no friends?
That's the dumbest shit ever.
If I was your
Now, I
woman,
say the same thing.
how would you
How would you
feel
feel?
about me fucking around?
Saying, oh yeah, we could be friends. Why? I don't need no more friends.
So it's your bitch, it's okay for me to go to the club, meet niggas, and let them know that I just want to be
Be
nothing but
friends.
their friend, and that's cool with you. I'm your bitch,
I just want to know.
but that's cool. I can go around getting niggas numbers and say, you know what, it's cool, because we cool.
Right?
Right? That's what we're doing.
Right? You don't even answer my nigga though.
That's what you want to do. That's okay.
So I don't understand. So what do y'all think it is in men? Why can't they accept no? Why is it their ego?
It's
Why
hard
y'all
for
think
niggas.
it is?
I think it's
know.
like you said, ego. It's so hard for niggas to accept rejection. Women do take it better.
Yeah.
Because we're confident creatures by nature.
Right.
Most of us are anyway.
We're not gonna get disrespectful.
Yeah.
I ain't never seen a bitch be like, fuck you, fat ass nigga, bitch ass hoe, bitch, fuck you. I'm dog ass hoe.
Got cussed out.
Why would
I do
y'all
that.
disrespect a woman because she don't want to talk to you?
I definitely got cussed
I get
out.
called big
I ain't called bitch. I ain't want your
Look,
number
thank
anyway.
you.
I hate that bitch. I ain't want your number anyway, hoe.
That's you booge ass bitch.
Oh, they hate that.
Well, I'm
Oh,
not
you
even
stuck up.
bougie.
Oh,
I hate when they say
you stuck up. You bougie.
I hate that.
You don't talk to niggas like me.
Boo, I just got
You right, I don't.
You right.
Fuck out my face.
No, I'm just good.
Fellas, I want to talk to my ratchet fellas. Why do y'all do this shit? Do y'all have some homeboys or some partners that harass hoes in the club? Do y'all have some niggas that just don't like for a bitch to turn them down and get disrespectful?
Why?
In 2019, ladies, are we still experiencing that? Ladies, are we still experiencing niggas being disrespectful because we told them no? Ratchets, come and let me know.
Bitch, I'm definitely not. If you in the club and you any type of disrespect, I'm gonna let you know. I don't like this. Like, why niggas do this? Come on. Nigga! Why are you pulling my arm?
I don't want to.
I don't want to go.
Bitch,
Get your nigga. Like, you know who it is, so. No.
Boom. Take me out to eat that first day. That next day you take me out to eat, and I still don't like you. You are out to eat nigga, and that's period. But if you take me out to eat and I like you, then we can grow. But like I said, if you take me out to eat and I don't like you after that, that first after eat.
You were after nigga.
You were after eat nigga.
You just an
How did you want to go after eat?
You just after.
After eat.
After eat.
After I fuck with another nigga, I might fuck with shit after. That's the after ass nigga.
How you say after?
Let's just start calling these niggas after.
No, because you're not even
After 10.
You period. You just an after eat nigga.
Both.
Question. It's some after eat niggas out there who hurt.
Out to eat pussy niggas. Oh, yeah.
I got some niggas who don't know how to eat pussy, but know how to fuck.
Oh.
Shit crazy.
Oh.
Good rejection versus bad rejection. What's the difference? Is there a difference?
Oh. I would say there's a difference. Kind of like what I just explained earlier. He rejected me, but it was in a respectful manner.
It was a good rejection.
He didn't go overboard. He wasn't flirting too much. He did make it.
He did make it clear that he wanted that ass though.
He would fuck the shit out of me.
That's basically what he said. Honestly, that's basically what he said.
That's
That he was.
I fucked the dog shit out of him.
If I didn't have this ring on
If
my
I didn't have his whole
finger,
hair on.
just know that. Period. That's what he said.
And you over here like, I went there.
It was cool.
If I said hoes, I was what you doing.
They confused.
Now, would I have been fucked up if I would have said, I don't give a fuck about your wife like niggas do? I don't give a fuck about your. What if I would have said, I don't give a fuck about your wife?
Who gave it to their wife? The one who gave vows, or I'm not condoning it because
I'm sorry. What if I would have said, I would fuck the shit out you and I don't give a fuck about your wife?
I would say on some moral shit, it'd be fucked up. But on some regular, fuck out. If you over that shit, then fuck it. You don't owe her.
If you're trying to bust a nut,
you didn't say any vows to her.
Exactly.
You don't owe her any promises. Your husband owes you all those promises, dreams and fantasies and stars and all that bullshit. I don't owe you nothing.
so again, Brandon ain't here today. Because I didn't take no vows. I'm single. I don't have any more. I was on the bust of nuts.
Ooh.
You, on the other hand, took those vows. I did not.
Well,
You might even think there's everything. And so is my pussy. What y'all tell a nigga, let me say, if y'all really was eyeing a nigga, and you just felt like, ooh, I gotta have a stick, Y'all ain't never conversating. He said he got a bitch. I didn't even gonna say as much as a wife. He got a bitch. Doesn't make a difference if he has a bitch or a wife. Would you be willing to give it a chance if he said, man, I got a bitch? Or if he said, man, I'm married? Y'all want each other though. It's obvious.
I mean,
Which one are you willing to say fuck it for, the bitch or the wife? Talk to me, Rex.
if I want it, I'm gonna get it. Period. That's just whatever. If it's an item, a person, whatever it is.
Because
If I want it, I'm going to. I may not get it when I want it. I'm gonna find a way to get it though.
Okay.
Whatever it is.
So at that time, are you willing?
Period.
So if that means wife or bitch, if I want you, I'm going to get you.
Let's go.
Okay, Luke.
I said let's go.
Which one are you willing to give it out for? If he has a bitch, are you gonna say fuck it and still fuck with him?
I'm
What's
probably
the other
I ain't gonna do it if he got a wife though, just to clarify.
Okay, so you won't do it if he has a wife.
Nah, but bitch.
If he has a bitch, you'll fuck with him.
I mean, if I really want,
If you really want it.
yeah.
Okay, Luke.
I'm with Erica. And then, shit. No, I'm definitely not fucking if he got a wife at all. This shit. If he had a girlfriend, and depending on where I'm at, if I really feeling him like that, and it's just on some like I just want to fuck type of thing, then yeah. But I'm not looking for nothing like serious. Because you got a bitch. And I already know what it is.
But you will be still willing to fuck with me if you get a bitch.
I might, just depending on who.
Thanks. I'm gonna fuck with you. But I can't fuck with you.
But as of currently, no.
We're not on that shit. I'm not
on that shit right now. But I've been there, done it. Just to clarify.
I'll give a devil with a nigga still if we got just a bitch. See, I mean, you know, and it ain't no regular shit I do. I gotta really be, you know, it gotta, really it's just one nigga. But anyway.
Ooh.
Anyway.
They gonna get that dick for God. They get God. Fuck you with your bitch. Fuck you with your bitch. I'm gonna get that dick regardless. God.
Basically.
Say it. Let me hear you say it. Oh, say it for me. I'm gonna get that dick regardless.
I'm gonna get that dick for
God.
He gon' put this pussy in the
Oh my God.
Kick that pussy
So basically,
regardless. Kick that pussy regardless.
Okay, regardless.
Because if I want you, I'm gonna get you.
Period.
And that's regardless.
And that goes for anybody's husband. I mean, boyfriend.
Yeah. Boyfriend?
No, I'm just kidding. I'm playing. I'm kidding.
Yo, I mean, I'm being for real. Ratchets. How do y'all feel about being rejected?
I don't like that whole ass.
I definitely don't like this shit. Just in
Yeah,
I don't like rejection.
Do y'all think it has to do with insecurity?
No.
Why can't you
I just
handle
don't like
it?
no.
Spoiled. It's
No. Why can't you handle it? You're wrong. I don't want you
being
bitch.
wrong.
Sorry.
I don't want you, hoe.
No.
I don't. I have a right to not want you.
I mean, are you
Damn.
What? What's the problem?
You the problem. I don't want you.
What did
Damn.
I do?
Bitch, you didn't do shit. I don't want you.
But
I didn't know my type.
Let's talk
What?
about it.
You're ugly. You're ugly.
What part?
You're ugly.
What
What
part?
is it?
Your hair.
Hair.
I don't like your skin tone. I like dark skinned bitches. You got dark. Bye.
Oh,
I don't want
I
you.
don't understand that.
So
I don't
that's such
understand
thing
that.
as good rejection.
You're right.
Exactly.
I don't understand. If a nigga said, I just like dark skinned girls.
You like that nigga.
I don't understand that.
See how that makes sense?
So that is good rejection, bro. Because I added, is there a difference? Because I was like, is there really difference? But you're right. There's a motherfucking difference.
That's the difference.
A preference. And that difference is preference.
Bitch, I
He
don't
like
want
dark
you.
skinned bitches.
Ratchet, say this for me. Bitch, I don't want you. Say it, Kendall. Kendall, say it. Here. Bitch, I don't want you. And that's how y'all gonna have to learn rejection. I don't want
That's the
you.
best delivery.
Bitch, I don't want you. Bitch, I don't want you. And that's how y'all gonna learn tonight.
That's actually perfect way for
I want y'all to
rejection.
comment on this video with bitch, I don't want you. And that's how we gonna know you was told to fuck in
Put
because
a lot
that's
of
the best
power
way
to
to
it.
handle
Bitch, I
rejection.
don't want you. Put it all the way.
I want that B needs to
Come
be
right
spinning.
Big to come out.
That B needs to be spinning when it come out the top. You can damn near break your motherfucking jaw saying bitch.
I am done with this show, y'all.
Okay, Ratchet, we're not in that show.
Done.
But
Nut if you motherfucking.
the Ratchets, before we go out, this is what you gonna get rejected on right here.
You ready?
When this play in the club, this is what that nigga gonna tell you. Bitch, I don't want you.
Bitch, I don't want you, hoe.
And you gonna have to handle that shit. Toughen up, hoe. Chill up, bitch. He don't want you.
If both of y'all
say that's cool.
needs to go in.
And
Both
come
lips
out.
needs to be folded.
That shit's the roll.
Roll. Bitch, I don't want
Regardless.
like
Bitch.
I
Want you.
And soon as you say that, kind of drop.
Okay, but before we end the night,
We
okay.
do our motherfucking chill on my motherfucking time before we get out this before we play this
Thank
motherfucking
you.
song. Ratchet CHATZ,
For tuning in tonight.
Y'all know this cut up ratchet. Y'all know this some hood shit. Y'all know this is some hood ass podcast shit. But we fuck with it. Y'all fuck with us.
Bitch,
And that's why it is what it is.
Bitch,
You know we get high.
But tonight before y'all go to bed, look at your mate. Look at your mate tonight. Look at her. Why that hoe sleep? Watch that. Look at that hoe. Why she sleep?
that hoe.
And stirred that hoe.
And what you gonna tell me?
Swallow a little spit before you say it.
Bitch, I want you. Drop, Kayla.
Hello, she said you drop on my
Kayla ain't gonna ever drop.
Damn.
Bitch, I keep talking.
Drop.
Kayla. That's what's gonna happen when that nigga say it.
Bitch, I want. Bitch, I want. Bitch, I want.
Hey.
Bitch, I want you. Bitch, I want you. Regardless, hoe. Regardless, hoe.
Hey.